departing David J. Perry for Altus Quartz Mountain for the Altus Air Force Base Air Show. Got a flight at 3 going this morning. Run-up checklist is complete. Waiting on everybody else. Okay, looks like we're all ready.
All right, so I recommend you follow me kind of closely on the departure here. Yep. David J. Perry traffic, Skyhawk 879er, flight at 3, departing 13 will be southwestbound, David J.
All right, mixture's rich, here we go. Final looks clear.
David J. traffic, Cherokee 1273 Tango, holding short 13, David J.
Here we go. Airspeed's already good.
David J. traffic, Cherokee 1273 Tango, taking 13 for departure to the south-southwest, David J.
A little bumpier than when we came in.
David J. Perry traffic, Skyhawk 4705 Delta B, holding position on 13 for just a minute or two.
.75 going to .75.
0.75.
73 Tango's up.
And 05 Delta's up.
The 79er's up.
Where are you at, Travis?
Just north of Paradise.
Looking.
I'm not picking you up on ADSB.
73 Tango is climbing about 400 a minute at 2,600.
Roger that. When I get up to 45, I'll slow it down, let you catch up.
Copy.
He has just a little less performance and a lot more weight. Taking more people today.
Yeah.
So he's 1,400 below.
What are we climbing all the way to?
4,500.
40, okay.
I'm going to go ahead and go over to Oak City and call them up. I'm going to monitor .75 on my second radio. And go ahead and go to standby for me.
Go to standby.
Go to standby.
Last aircraft calling. Say it one more time. Skyhawk 612 Papa Delta Oak City departure at contact. Say the next.
I talked to this guy yesterday.
You did?
Yeah, he was in the tower.
And today's Tracon?
Yep.
Our 612 Papa Delta Squawk 5133. You're cleared to Sierra Romeo Echo Airport via the funnel 3 departure, direct funnel. I'll just give you radar vectors to funnel for now. Come and maintain 5,000.
So this is where I don't jump in.
Travis, you are getting a little far away, but I'm cruising at 7.6 ground speed.
Roger. I'm at 73.
Skyhawk 612 Papa Delta, read back correct. For now, turn right heading 355, that'll get you on course. Skyline 07 Charlie, contact Kansas City Center 127.8.
Good morning, Oak City approach, Skyhawk 79er, 879er.
East of Haskell, 3,700.
November 9er 07 Charlie, contact Kansas City Center 127.8. November November Whiskey, contact Fort Worth Center 128.4.
Fort Worth Center, 128.4 for 16 November Whiskey. Thank you. So long.
November 200 November Tango, you can proceed on course. There's somebody checking on, say it again.
Skyhawk 79er, 879er is a flight of 3 about 5 southwest of Blanchard, 4,500. We're VFR to Alpha X-Ray Sierra, and we'll stay at 4,500.
You're a flight of 3 what?
2 Cessnas and a Cherokee, 172s.
There's 79879 squawk 5220.
5220, 79er, 879er.
Or 79879 radar contact, Oak City altimeter is 3009, you can proceed on course.
3009er on course, 879er, thank you. Alright, inbound to Altus Quartz Mountain. Had to dodge a little traffic there. Not sure they ever saw us.
879er, Altus Air Force Base is 11 o'clock, 14 miles, and Altus Quartz Mountain Regional is 12 o'clock, 17 miles. Report both airports in sight.
Skyhawk 879er, we have the Air Force Base in sight. We'll let you know when we get Quartz in sight.
Skyhawk 879er, roger. Attention all aircraft, the Altus altimeter now 3003.
Man, we should have been recording like a
Just
minute
a few
earlier.
minutes earlier, yeah, I know.
That's okay. That was close.
That was inside 1,000 feet, and he flew right over us.
Attention all aircraft, Altus Air Force Base information, Bravo current.
Altus Quartz Mountain Regional Airport, automated weather observation, 1457 Zulu. Wind 150 at 14 knots. Peak gusts 22 knots. Visibility 7. Sky condition clear below 12,000. Temperature 19 Celsius. Dew point 7 Celsius. Altimeter 3004 inches of mercury.
Man, there's so much airspace down here. All the GPS wants to do is warn us about airspace.
879er, Altus Quartz Mountain Regional, 12 o'clock, 11 miles.
879er, roger. It's north of the town. I think I see the airport.
It's been about 10 years since we were here last.
10 years? No, we were here just the other day. Remember? When we were down doing our Southwest tour.
Oh, yeah.
We didn't stay, but...
Well, yeah.
Skyhawk 879er, we got Quartz in sight.
Skyhawk 879er, roger. Radar service terminated. Squawk VFR, frequency change approved. Have a good day.
Squawk VFR, thanks for your help today, 879er.
No problem.
All right, I'm going to switch over to point 8 and I'll make the calls. We'll cross over the field into right downwind 17.
Copy.
22-8.
Altus Quartz Mountain traffic, Skyhawk 879er is a flight of 3, we're 9 miles to the east. We'll cross over the field and enter a right downwind for 17 at Altus Quartz Mountain.
In just 30 minutes, there'll be a TFR where we're at right now. For an air show right there. So there's going to be an F-22 and a 35 just ripping it up, like right where we're at. Weird to think about, you know?
Yeah.
You can see all the C-17s parked out here in their little spots.
Yep.
That's pretty cool, huh?
Yep, we've landed there.
We have, actually, on the right.
Cool lot of rubber.
Yeah, it is. Should we go do a touch and go real quick?
It's probably frowned upon.
Okay. Then we won't do that. On your side when we cross over, see if there's enough spots on the ramp. I bet there are. I just can't see from my side.
I'm trying to look and not face plant in the window.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there's only 4 on the ramp.
Oh.
Altus Quartz Mountain traffic, Skyhawk 879er, flight at 3 over the airport, entering right downwind 17, Altus Quartz Mountain.
Cool view though, huh?
Yeah, it's like, wow, there is stuff out here.
Yep, it's like the only thing.
Altus Quartz Mountain traffic, Skyhawk 879er, turning right base 17, Altus Quartz Mountain.
That 2 or 3?
Altus Quartz Mountain, Cherokee
2,
73 Tango is entering it right now.
Oh yeah, good.
17, Altus Quartz Mountain.
Altus approach, Bonanza 5936 Golf.
Bonanza 5932 Golf, Altus approach.
Altus Quartz Mountain, Skyhawk 879ers, turn in final 17, full stop, Altus Quartz Mountain.
Definitely windy.
Yep.
Altus Quartz Mountain, Cherokee 73 Tango, left base, or right base for 17. Altus Quartz Mountain, Cherokee 73 Tango, base to final for 17, full stop Altus Quartz Mountain.
Flaps coming.
Altus Quartz Mountain traffic, Skyhawk 879ers, clear 17, taxi to the ramp, Altus.
Look at those tires.
They're big.
Altus Quartz Mountain, Cherokee 73 Tango, clear of 17, Altus Quartz Mountain.
All right, we'll shut her down.
Took 10 minutes longer than I thought it would.